Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Suryamani. I am a student of Siemens College, Bridge Batch 1. Today, I am here with my PPT on the topic of mail merge. Before starting, I would like to thank Raju Padhyay sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I hope that you all are aware about this particular topic, but I want to give brief introduction about mail merge. So let's start. Firstly, we have to open MS Word and go to mailings. We have to know about what is mail merge. So mail merge combines a data source. It combines a main document with a data source to create personalized document. Now, how it works in MS Word? Firstly, we have to go open MS Word and go to mailings. There is a tab which is mailings. As you all see, we have to go on mailings. Here is a tab, a start mail merge. In below, as you all see, a step-by-step mail merge wizard. After clicking on a step-by-step mail merge wizard, there is a screen show on your PC on the right. First step, which type of document do you want to work on, like letters, email, message, envelopes, labels, dictionary. And second step is select a starting document. It means which type of I use the current document. Like if you want to use a start from template existing document which was in your PC. And third is select recipient. Where is your data? If your data is in the MS Excel, that is data source. If you want to edit, then there is an option type a new list and you edit, create. Here you create. Fourth step is insert mail merge field. Here as you all see, there is a step insert mail merge field, as you all see. And fifth is preview results. This is the last step, complete mail merge. Now let's do practical. As you all see, this is the offer letter. We have to firstly go on mailings, a start mail merge, a step-by-step mail merge wizard. Firstly, first step is select document type. This is letter. Second, select recipient. So then I use the current document. If you want to your document was in your PC, then you have to choose this, a start from existing document. The third step is select recipient. Select candidate list. These are the selected candidates. Okay. Next step, a step-by-step insert merge mail field. First name, last name, after that company name, after that a state, city, and PIN. Now here last name is included. After that, 5th step is preview your results. You want to see your results from there. Second, third, fourth. These are the selected candidates whose offer letters are ready. And the last step is print. If you want to take in this PDF, then OK. If you want to edit individual name and other thing a state pin, then you have to edit there, like I edit here name, anything which you want to take. As you all see, only their name is change. That's all. If you have any question, then please ask me. Yes.
मेल मर्ज की सहायता से सभी ऑफर लेटर में अगर फोटो इंसर्ट करना होगा तो कैसे करेंगे?
मेल मर्ज में
आई मीन इस ऑफर लेटर में फोटो इंसर्ट करना होगा तो
मेल मर्ज में फोटो इंसर्ट थोड़ा कर
ऑफर लेटर में ना?
नहीं, ऑफर लेटर में फोटो इंसर्ट नहीं हो सकता।
या फिर ऑफर लेटर में फोटो इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं, जैसे डॉक्यूमेंट में लिखते हैं वैसे ही फोटो इंसर्ट करते हैं।
Okay, then we have to go on insert. After that, choose a picture.
आप यस
Insert picture this device.
No, that photo need to be inserted before.
Yes, sir.
Your question is not valid at this point. Yeah, at the time of designing a document, he has to insert the picture. Now the already letters have been drafted. So only one letter is going to have a picture.
Not in every letter.
At this moment, he has to copy the same photo to each and every
Each and
document.
every document. Yes.
So if he wanted that photo should be available in every document, then at the time of designing, he's supposed to insert the picture over there and then merge the data source with the document. Then this will be available to all. So your answer would be simply at the time of designing,
Yes.
we can whatever photograph you wanted to have, you put it in your document.
And individual
And then
page.
after that you can merge the thing. Yeah, so that is the answer. Anybody else having any question?
Can mail merge be used in different language like Hindi?
Yes. Then we have to select Hindi language
What is the main purpose of mail merge?
to create this mail merge. With the help of mail merge, offer letters, like we have to select many candidates, and so then we have more and more candidates. At a time we create more and more multiple candidates offer in a minute and second.
Okay.
With both the mic and
My question is, how do you save merged make document?
Profile.
Okay.
that means by using the
Now
file
it's-
save, you can save it.
Okay.
He saved it as a PDF file.
Okay. Now during the presentation you have
Take this mic closer.
used pre-saved data source.
Yes.
If we want to create our own at that particular time, how can we do it?
Yes. From third step. We have to go on mailings. Start mail merge. A step by step mail merge wizard. Third step, type a new list. Here you create. If you want to create, then
Take a
as you also. That's your answer. Anyone? That's all. Thank you.
So this was a very good presentation given by Suryamani about the mail merge, and I think your query got solved. Roll number 80, you, right? He has given the very nice answer at the time of designing, and the third stage, step number 3, you can design your own data source, and that data source can be used for mail merge, right? And for you, roll number 80. So option was simply already he has saved the file, PDF file. If you wanted to save in a different name, you can go for the file save as and you can save it. And one more student has asked the question about what is the purpose of mail merge. I think you asked. The purpose behind implementing the mail merge is we are having a standard document, standard format, which has to be sent to so many people across the places. So what you can do is you can have a set of recipient list in one place, whether as a part of MS Word or as a part of Excel, and that data source can be merged with your standard common letter. And when you do the process of mail merge, so let's say the data source has 100 records, so 100 letter will be generated out very quickly. What he said, within a 1 minute or second, you can merge and you can create n number of letter for other recipient. Right. Anyway, thank you very much, Suryamani, for having a nice presentation. Okay. Thank you.